Anger. The Bible provides guidance on human anger, emphasizing its potential dangers and the importance of self-control. Here are some key insights. Recognition of anger. Anger is a natural emotion. Ecclesiastes 7 verse 9 warns against letting anger lead to sin, highlighting the need for restraint. Consequences of uncontrolled anger. Proverbs 29 verse 22 states that an angry person stirs up conflict, showing how uncontrolled anger can lead to strife and division. Anger management. James 1 verses 19 to 20 advises being quick to listen, slow to speak, and slow to become angry, indicating the importance of patience and understanding. Forgiveness and reconciliation. Ephesians 4 verses 31 to 32 encourages believers to remove all bitterness and rage, advocating for kindness and forgiveness. In summary, the Bible teaches that while anger is a common human emotion, it should be handled with care, emphasizing patience, forgiveness, and the pursuit of peace.